The video is going viral. Hundreds of partiers packed under a huge tent in East Memphis during a pandemic. How did this happen? Thanks for joining us. I'm Richard Ransom. Katina has the night off. Local 24 News getting answers tonight. CGI Entertainment hosted what doctors describe as a super spreader event. Local 24 News reporter Brittany Moncrief found it's exactly the kind of event the coronavirus feeds on.
Our COVID cases are rising. Baptist Memorial Hospital's Dr. Steve Threckeld said we're seeing an increase on top of the increase.
If I recall correctly, 102 people on Wednesday. It went to 122 on Friday at my check then. Yesterday it was 140 and change, and today it was 160 early this morning, so a dramatic rise.
A surge on top of a surge.
When you look at those kind of numbers, I don't care how good your preparation is. It can be outstripped by this sort of thing. That pace cannot continue. It just can't.
But one thing health officials are up against is COVID fatigue. We saw it with the overwhelming number of travelers over the Thanksgiving holiday and with social gatherings, like this one Saturday night in East Memphis. It was a CGI entertainment party where many were seen without masks and not social distancing.
I found a couple of those things that I saw online really unbelievably dangerous and spectacularly irresponsible. Attached to any number of those many people at those parties without people wearing masks, people being too close together, are grandparents and parents. And we will no doubt lose a few people because of such a gathering at this moment in time.
So how did the gathering of this size get this far? And what protocols are in place to address such violations? We turn to the Shelby County Health Department. No answer. Memphis Mayor Jim Strickland's office said they are ready to stand by the health department with any necessary requirements, stating it's extremely unfortunate that people chose to endanger themselves and others by attending large gatherings without masks.
The rate of positivity and the rate of transmission in our community is well beyond something that we can conscience, events like that. We just can't do that.
A plea as we enter what many hope will be the final stretch.
We're close enough to the vaccine where we need to be careful. And if you just stay away from those higher risk behaviors, independent of your extra risk in travel, you're going to be a lot better off.
Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris also gave a response to Saturday's party. He's encouraging those who attended to get tested and avoid being around any older relatives until they're sure they're not carrying the virus. In Cordova, Brittany Moncrief, Local 24 News.